In this video, we will cover the steps taken to remove the motor hood from your machine. You may have times where you need to remove the motor hood on your treadmill. This can be either for regular maintenance of your machine or to assist in troubleshooting steps. Removing the motor hood can also give you access to the incline pivot hardware of your lift frame, which may need to be tightened from time to time with regular use. The motor hood is held in place by 3 screws across the front of the treadmill and 1 screw on each side of the hood. Some models, like the one shown here, may have the 2 side screws underneath the walking deck. Once you remove all the screws, you can remove the motor hood by lifting it out the front of the machine. To reattach the motor hood, simply set the motor hood back into position from the front of the machine and reattach the screws.